Hey guys, so I am popping on with an expired glucagon injection to show you what it looks like. So this one is expired. It was given to me April 1st of 2016. That's when I was prescribed it, and that was when I was basically found out that I was type 1 diabetic. But I wanted to show what it looks like and how you would, if you were with somebody that is a type 1 diabetic and they required this treatment, how you would do it. And I have never done this myself. So, they have little instructions on the back. And there was a larger pullout, but I don't know where that is. Anyways, so this is the one part of the glucagon. So this is the sugar, I assume. I've just popped the top off. And then, from what I gather, you're supposed to pop the top off. And then you're supposed to take this off here. Whoa, look at that freaking needle. Anyways, then what you need to do is you need to put this solution in here. Okay. Push down. There we go. Okay. And then what you need to do is you need to, ooh, look at this needle. God, I'm probably scaring a lot of people that are afraid of needles. So actually, it says to swirl the solution. So the reason this is such a big needle, so let me get it in there if you can see that. Let me put my hand up so you can see the size of this needle. The reason it is such a large needle is glucagon is meant to go intermuscular. So that is why. And now it is completely dissolved. So then what you would do is you would take the solution, go back in, okay, and pump back into the needle all of the glucagon. Okay. Now, this is important for lay people that have not administered many injections. There should not be bubbles on the top, and there is bubbles on the top of this. I'm just slowly putting it back up. And a way to release air bubbles is to simply give it a flick. And I'm going to again show you what that looks like. I have released most of the air bubbles from this. Now, if I required this, and this is specific to my lovely boyfriend, that's why I'm doing this video. So that he can see it's very easy to do this, just in case I ever require it, and he is in my presence. So basically now the glucagon is ready to be injected, and you would pick a large area, or a preferable area would be the buttocks or the thigh. So yeah, basically, I'm not going to inject myself with it because I don't need it. This is expired as well too, so I don't know if it would, basically I don't know if anything would happen, but I'm not going to risk it. But yeah, that is basically how you set up glucagon for use. So guys, if you found this, here I'm going to put the cap back. Ooh. I'm gonna put the cap back on this monster ass needle. There we go. Okay, and put it down. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please post them down below. And if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know when I'm uploading, just click the notification bell and it'll let you know when I upload a video. Hope you guys are having a great day.